Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, July 26, 2001, 8 am. The mysteries of creation are not revealed to men. Some knowledge is given to help them in their progress. Evolution is taking place very slowly on the planet as a whole, a highly diverse breeding ground for experiences. Knowledge is given sparingly so as not to jeopardize a precarious balance. The earth is nearing a transitional moment, which is expected to be an important turning point from where a new turn will be made for its development and course. This new cycle could change man very profoundly in his molecular structures, which would enable him to evolve more easily in various environments and elements constituting this planet. Man is currently limited in his space. He cannot easily escape from his prevailing environment. This mutation will occur under cover of climatic changes resulting from telluric upheavals, which in turn will prompt chain reactions in creation. Man will have to adjust and hence change to survive and to adapt himself. These events will change completely the face of the world from what it is currently. Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, July 26, 2001, 10 am. My dear daughter, you let yourself be guided as we wish. It took some time to achieve this result. Among humans, there is a gap between what they want or believe they are and what they really are. The desired success results more from an appropriate spiritual work than from an individual's will, which has no influence over this deep and real aspect of his nature. To let go, an expression used every other minute, is an abstract concept. The desire to do in and of itself is no solution to the issue. Placing oneself in real life situation is the primary attitude to be held. Conditioning to this state will really take place after a long work on oneself, backed by the assistance of the master who puts the finishing touches to this work. The transformation of human nature cannot be brought about from the goodwill of a being, however convinced he may be of the need for change. The victory is all the more remarkable. Transformation through spiritual work gives lasting results. They persist during this incarnation without the aspirant necessarily perceiving them as his true nature cannot be easily revealed. Continue on your way with the most complete faith in your destiny. Babuji Maharaj.